What are you saying? I'm in Newport, bro. See you in a minute. Safe. Shwmai, croeso I, Curadur, gyda mi LEMFRECK. Os nad ydych chi'n gwybod pwy ydw I, rapper, canwr, extraordinaire, hailin o Gasnewydd, a city with its issues, ond ar yn pridd full of lliw a gwahaniaeth. Say your grace, brother. Wash your face, brother. Don't catch a case, brother. Say your grace, brother. Wash your face, brother. Don't catch a case, brother. These times, I roll out these times, so fuck the peace signs. Brother, I must survive, so I grind. So much harm to my mind, so much harm to that guy. No, this work is not fine. Get it done, then we ride. Yeah. She's fine, wish she weren't mine. Can't tell her from that line. She just wants a good time. Think she's hit a gold mine. Calls me prick when she whines. Heard it on the grapevine. Next 06, so I sign. Leave it. Take that elbow, leave it. Police came, so we did. Too much heat, so I'm sick. Spewing whilst I hand licks. Yeah, I'm done with that shit. I just pray we get rich. I just pray this ain't it. What's worse, this life or that hearse? Ask me after this verse. Ask me when the bills hurt. Ask me when the boys get sent up, boys get sent down. Doors get kicked down, I'll run out of sounds. Say your grace, brother. Wash your face, brother. Don't catch a case, brother. Say your grace, brother. Wash your face, brother. Don't catch a case, brother. Dwi'n wedi bod and lucky to see the best and worst Gasnewydd has to offer. I grew up on the old barn estate as the only black family, and my experience was completely different to my cousins who lived in Gwenlli, a place full of diversity. My battle with iaith Gymraeg wedi bod ryfedd ysgol gynradd Gymraeg, ond dwi'n then moved to an area where I had to go to a catchment school, and that's where it all ended, really. Now dwi'n yma yn ffynnu, dysgu Cymraeg, a diolch am fod yma. Dwi'n meddwl bod gweled ydi credu black Welsh people don't see themselves on Welsh platforms, which makes it almost impossible for the culture to thrive through. Music of black origin is the biggest genre in Wales right now. There are artists that are global, playing on the world's biggest platforms and stages, yet we do not see them on Welsh-owned platforms. So how can we believe if we do not see? So today I want to bring you into a world where many may not be familiar with, into a part of your Wales that you might not know. Ac mae gen I sio wech chi, heddiw mae gennym ni Mace the Great, Dom Lloyd, Lily Bow, Luca V. Dwi'n more excited. Mae Lily Bow yn incredible. Dwi wedi ddwys Lily achos dwi'n meddwl bod he truly embodies the Welsh creative, someone with her own battles with the language, but in that has developed lyricism like no other.
Sefydd yn cuddio, stym mwy o nerth gen I, mynd am y cyffro, ond nawr mond hiraeth si. Mae ngalon i'n wag, dim o'r angerdd fi, sa'i gallu gweld fy hun mond hiraeth si, dwi'n hiraethu. Treiddiau'r mir I geisio fachub, rhag blomio boddi mewn dyfroedd di, dwi'n mestyn am dy ddwylo di, o treiddiau'r mir I geisio fachub. Mae'r mynyddoedd sy'n fy ngalw nôl yn tyfu'n fwy serth yn ddeddiol, o treiddiau'r mir. Treiddiau'r mir Dwi'n hiraethu.
We just heard you sing beautifully in a Cymraeg. So, dych chi'n hoffi canw Cymraeg? Like, pam?
Dwi'n meddwl dwi jyst yn caru adrodd straeon a'r ffaith bod fi gallu yn ddwyieithog, dwi'n teimlo'n really fforddus i allu wneud y ddau. A jyst eistedd wrth y piano yn canu yn y Gymraeg, mae jyst yn... Y gair sy'n dod i'r feddwl yw hiraeth. Mae jyst yn teimlo fel gytre, a mae'n lyflu, achos dyma ble dechreuais i canu. So mae'n neis i allu ddod nôl a chanu yn y Gymraeg.
What more can we do to encourage black women and women of colour to create in Welsh?
Dwi'n meddwl ddim i just aros ar y ffaith o'r iaith, ond dwi'n meddwl y ffaith bod pobl... O'n i jyst yn stryglo gymaint i allu ffeindio'r geiriau, dreiglo gywir, y profiadau yn yr ysgol, di kind of really effeithio hyder fi'n siarad Cymraeg, a fi'n meddwl dyna'r un problem y llawer o bobl menywod di, falle'n teimlo'r un fath o struggle. Achos mae ysgrifennu a canu yn unrhyw iaith, it's a safe place to express yourself. A os chi methu ffeindio'r geiriau'n gywir, neu'n poeni bod rhywun mynd i cywiro chi, falle, does dim yr un hyder i allu fath o express yourself. A fi'n meddwl dyna beth yw'r problem. Ddim angen annog mwy o fenywod di i ganu, mae rhaid i ni newid y ffordd dyn ni'n derbyn menywod di, fi'n meddwl, yn yr iaith Gymraeg yn enwedig. And to see more Welsh black women faces on telly in the media. Dyn ni ddim yn gweld y wynebau yma, felly mae merched ifanc ddim gallu edrych i fyny a mynd, dwi eisiau gwneud hwnna. So mae ddim yn edrych fel mae'n bosib ar y foment, ond mae'n newid, a dwi'n hyderus am y ffaith. A petai, mwy o olain fy myd, allan weld ta fi yw gelyn fy hun. A petai, neb ond fy methu, a bydde amser yn llwyddo lleddfu. Treiddia'r mir I geisio fachub, rhag fflamio bod ddim am dyfroedd di, dwi'n mestyn am dy ddwylaid i o treiddia'r mir I geisio fachub. Mae'r mynyddau sy'n fy ngalw nôl yn tyfu'n fwy serth ond ddyddiol o treiddia'r mir. Treiddia'r mir, treiddia'r mir. Dwi'n hiraethu.
Dwi'n meddwl Mace the Great is one of the reasons Cymru is so good right now. I honestly look up to him as the safon. Dwi'n meddwl mae mwy I ddod. Gewch chi weld pam.
You know the score. Come my side of the bridge, you'll never get lost if I give you a tour. This city been mad, but you know I got love for my city, of course. Now I just come with a drip of your sauce. Never just come, I've been really on form. You know the score. Come my side of the bridge, you'll never get lost if I give you a tour. This city been mad, but you know I got love for my city, of course. Now I just come with a drip of your sauce. Never just come, I've been really on form. I might shut down cause I don't care for your plans like brother. I came through one up on mic reload, sundown till sun up, I don't care, man, I've been a top boy, top rare. Never had loops, never had them on clear. I tell a pagan, stay over there, come man, know my thing from way over there. Man, I'm blessed in a function, rep where I come from. On fire like I step with a Bunsen. Free smoke if you want some. I set the pace where there's nothing that I run from, no. When they gonna see what I'm on? Now in a bit, yeah, it's not nothing long. Them man a week when I come through strong. I was on job till I prayed I'm a boss. You know the score. Come my side of the bridge, you'll never get lost if I give you a tour. This city been mad, but you know I got love for my city, of course. Never just come with a drip of your sauce. Never just come, I've been really on form. You know the score. Come my side of the bridge, you'll never get lost if I give you a tour. This city been mad, but you know I got love for my city, of course. Now I just come with a drip of your sauce. Never just come, I've been really on form. Too many fakes, but you know I brought true back. It's a war zone if I'm in a field. If I head top, man, I'm stuck in a gulag. I don't moonwalk like Michael, but trust me, I'm really trying to find out who's bad. And them boy there ain't local. Around here we don't do that. I'm a real brother, check my stats. I ain't got to shift no packs. I took an L, but you know I bounced back. I seen things, but you know I won't chat. And by now you know what I'm like. No bump in the road's gonna stop my drive. I still see man trying to cop my vibe. Would have been on job if I weren't on site. You know the score. Come my side of the bridge, you'll never get lost if I give you a tour. This city been mad, but you know I got love for my city, of course. Now I just come with a drip of your sauce. Never just come, I've been really on form. You know the score. Come my side of the bridge, you'll never get lost if I give you a tour. This city been mad, but you know I got love for my city, of course. Now I just come with a drip of your sauce. Never just come, I've been really on form. Mud. You know the score. Come my side of the bridge, you'll never get lost if I give you a tour. This city been mad, but you know I got love for my city, of course. Now I just come with a drip of your sauce. Never just come, I've been really on form.
Luca V, this guy is awesome. Dwi wedi dwys achos mae'n amrod. I've never heard someone so consistently portray emotion in the delivery of words. Ti'n really gweld a clywed a'i stori. Dwi'n caru hynny.
Don't blink, you might miss this. I want cake, not crumbs of a biscuit. I was down, didn't nobody fix it, so I got me. I don't need me a missus. Way on me, swear down, couldn't lift it up. I felt like you if you're feeling stuck. Never be no walk in the park or a picnic. I need me the pill from Limitless. Look, said I'll be there now in a minute. I just want to be proud of my lyrics, the ones we've lost surround us in spirit. I don't want to be a crook or a witness, so put my head in the books and I mind my business. I don't want to get lost in progress, cause in perfect time I'll finish. Whose line is it? I've been sat here now for the longest. Never been fittest, never been strongest. Don't feel much lately, I've been living in my subconscious. I was in Dublin, pint full of Guinness. Like look what the music accomplished. Now I need that constant, I'm out here trying to stay consistent. Look, what? Dwi man ateb am ti'n galw nawr. Dwi am cymryd I gyd I lawr. Ti oedd popeth o'n i'n meddwl am, ei. Look, dwi ddim eisiau trafod, brush lawr, cerdded fwrdd, roi rhywbeth I siarad am, ei. Look, ti'n galw dwi ddim yn ateb. Dwi'n meddwl am rhywbeth newydd, ond o'n I at yn neud dim, ei. Look, dwi'n eisiau siarad na. Pen lawr, cerdded fwrdd, ei. Dy creu ti'n I gyd o plan. Don't blink, you might miss. Work hard, I used to try. Wish I tell my friends I'm trying to get rich. Lately I need all the time that there isn't more. Going nowhere when I go touring the same old spot. You saw me before, RV with the engine lights on. Sometimes I don't know what I'm fighting for. I want to be proud of the things I write. Can't express what I think sometimes. Things can change in a blink of an eye. And I miss so much, can't miss this time. Not there much, but you can hit my line. Should do more, but it slips my mind. And all I can do is try. Got a voice in my head and it says I can do this life. I can do this major and I don't need no peas or no favours. I don't want to burn the cheese, I want flavours. Sick of getting third degree by my neighbours. Long Irish man, where are these acres from? Back then didn't think it would take this long. Can't kick back and relax, got me up late night like where's my papers gone? Don't want to be famous, want to be comfy. See life in a different country, count my blessings. Try be grateful but I wake up and I'm feeling grumpy. Gotta just make like a twin and split. Don't want to go down with a sinking ship. Face my problems head on, can't depend on doing up boozing. Look, what? Dwi man ateb am ti'n galw nawr. Dwi am cymryd I gyd I lawr. Ti oedd popeth o'n i'n meddwl am, ei. Look, dwi ddim eisiau trafod, brush lawr, cerdded fwrdd, roi rhywbeth I siarad am, ei. Look, ti'n galw dwi ddim yn gyteb. Dwi'n meddwl am rhywbeth newydd, ond o'n I at yn neud dim, ei. Look, dwi'n eisiau siarad na. Pen lawr, cerdded fwrdd, ei. Dy creu ti'n I gyd o plan.
Shwmai, Luke.
Ie, shwmai.
Diolch am fod yma. Ti'n dda?
Ie, da iawn, diolch.
Brilliant. Ydych chi'n hoffi canw Cymraeg?
Ie, dwi'n dal i dysgu siarad Cymraeg. Dwi'n siarad tipyn o bach. As I learn more, it's definitely something I'm trying to include more in the music. But, baby steps.
It sounded sick, mate. It was like really went well with the flow of the track. The Gerddoriaeth and honest and vulnerable. Do you think that is an important part of your music?
Yeah, I'm bod and honest and cerddoriaeth, super important for me personally. Yeah, definitely. And fy mhrofiad I just think being honest in the music is a great form of therapy. It's definitely helped me to articulate thoughts and feelings, and I think a lot of people find solace in that, you know what I mean?
My Music Cymru and funny, especially this year, the bar has been raised. Why do you think that is?
Mae'n ni'n gweithio, we're working hard, especially in, the rap and the hip-hop and R&B, and that sort of scene hasn't really been nurtured or developed. People are knuckling down and giving it a good go, and I think that's the most important thing.
Pwy ti'n gwrando I?
Dwi'n gwrando I fy ffrindiau, to be honest. Minas, Conrad Stone, Raz Kid, local, Mace, yourself, which is an amazing feeling because when I feel like I started making music, a couple of years ago, it definitely didn't feel like the case.
How do we get more Welsh kids to incorporate Welsh into music of black origin?
To any kids or anyone who's wanting to make music with real Welsh identity, of music of black origin, I think just being yourself and being transparent with it and being not afraid to make mistakes and just learning as you go along, you know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. I think we heard in with your chorus as well, you find like the rhyme schemes and the flow, like they match up. For me, definitely, at first I was like, I've got a couple of songs where I've just sprinkled a word in here and there. I couldn't necessarily write a Welsh language song off the top of my head. I could write it in English and then I could work on translating that into Welsh. And that's what you've seen with Don't Blink. It's about wanting to have that identity, you know what I mean? And wanting to be proud of the country that you're from. Yeah, sick.
Yes, Mae'r.
So I wedi ddewis Dom Lloyd ac oes dwi'n meddwl mai nhw yn wneud hanes. Dyma ni, two huge artists in English who are really strong Welsh speakers, but to me it made sense to get them to create what I think is the greatest Welsh language rap track ever made.
Wagwan.
Shwmai.
Wagwan. Diolch am fod yma. Ti'n dda?
Fi'n good.
All good. Feeling good. Sick. Dych chi'n mwynhau singing and performing and creating in Welsh? Is that something that you enjoy doing?
Oh yeah, cant. Y thing efo creu rhywbeth yn Cymraeg yw'r ffaith bod ni'n cymryd rhywbeth o'n i wedi dysgu yn yr ysgol, a mae'n rhywbeth huge o'n i wedi dysgu, a mae'n enfawr o bywyd ni, a i dod â hynna mewn i fel celf ni, art ni, mae'n teimlo good, so yeah.
So that being said, ti'n meddwl bod that music of a black origin has a place in music Cymraeg?
Yeah, yn bendant, ni'n trio wneud rhywbeth sy'n heb wedi cael ei wneud, sy'n heb cael y llwyfan efallai, heb cael y sylw, dos efo cael y sylw, so yna'n beth ni'n trio wneud heddi.
Ni'n trio dangos yr ffaith bod pobl di yn Cymru, a mae'n naturiol i pobl di fod yn Cymru, mae'n naturiol i unrhyw i fod yn Cymru, o unrhyw hil, o unrhyw cred, a fi'n meddwl mae'n rhywbeth ni'n kind of angen wneud i pobl sy'n edrych fel ni yn yr ysgol, pobl ifanc, sy'n gallu edrych arno ni a fel, okay, I can take the language somewhere, I can do something with the language. A dyna be fi eisiau gwneud oherwydd fi'n teimlo fel fi yn ifanc, bod yn bwy ifanc, o'n i'n edrych lan, o'n i ddim efo unrhyw, o'n i efo rap scallion. I'm listening to him, no offence. You know what I mean?
Does dim reswm pam na dyw hyn yn gallu ar ôl heddi bod yn rhywbeth arferol, rap Cymraeg yn rhywbeth sy'n fel normal.
Ni eisiau helpu adeiladu a dod â rhywbeth gwahanol i fe oherwydd bod yn boys di am chyd. Ni jyst eisiau dod â rhywbeth a mae yna boundaries wrth gwrs efo'r iaith a fi'n teimlo fel weithiau mae pobl yn aros yn y boundaries yna gormod a maen nhw ddim yn trio explore ond dyna be ni'n trio wneud. Ni jyst yn wneud be ni'n wneud, ni'n teimlo comfortable yn wneud ond ni'n wneud yn Cymraeg a mae'n teimlo'n dda i wneud e a os mae'n gallu wneud nawr i unrhyw un os mae pobl yn gallu edrych arno ni a meddwl okay, that's cool, we want to start doing this, let's speak Welsh, dyna be ni eisiau wneud, so yeah, that's what we want to do.
Mae'r scene yn tyfu, like, like, y cerddoriaeth Cymraeg fel, dim necessarily cerddoriaeth Cymraeg, ond cerddoriaeth fel urban Cymraeg yn tyfu. A mae'n cyffrwys i bod yn rhan o fe, like, it's exciting to be a part of it. Like, a mae fel, mae jyst yn mynd i tyfu. Mae jyst yn mynd i tyfu.
Ond dyna peth efo'r iaith, yr ffaith bod sy'n dod â experiences ni mewn, a dyna be fi'n meddwl yw'r prif pe ni eisiau gwneud hefo'r cerddoriaeth yma, yw just kind of siarad am experiences ni, fod yn bechgyn di, yn siarad Cymraeg, yn mynd i ysgolion Cymraeg. Ni eisiau just dangos bod mae hwnna'n mynd ymlaen a mae pethau. Ni just angen yr boundaries, the kind of wall to be broken, the gate to be pushed down, a I just teimlo'n mwy naturiol hefo'r pobl yn bod yn creadigol yn Cymraeg, especially efo pethau fel rap, a fi'n meddwl os ni'n neud hwn hefo'r rap, that's a big boundary getting pushed down there. Oherwydd, especially efo'r beats a stuff, ni'n defnyddio'r modernised type thing. So dyna be ni'n trio neud, really.
Historic, I'd say.
Mae hyn lad fy'n hadau yn anwyl I ni. Ta ma fuckboy yn trio rhywbeth hiliol da fi. Cwpl coloured people sydd ar eich bywyd allu, hefo rhywbeth diddorol I ti a ti. Mae hyn lad fy'n hadau yn anwyl I ni. Ta ma fuckboy yn trio rhywbeth hiliol da fi. Cwpl sydd ar eich bywyd allu, hefo rhywbeth diddorol I ti a ti. Dau boi di, byth yn baglu wrth y cawd, dal yn smygu ar y miri o bore tan y gwawd. Sefyll ar y clefyd hefo tarian ar y llaw, dal yn gweiddi am y newid am y mil a trydydd ddawd. Sawl tro? Yr unig ateb sawl, amser anfon nhw I newid cyn ma'n tynnu nhw I ddiawl, ond ma' hwnna ddim yn paw. Wel pryd wedys I pawb, ond fi'n dros y fucking sorries a slapio ar y llaw.
Oh my gosh, sa'n credu bod nhw'n dysgu black history mewn ysgolion nawr.
Yo. Ydy yn fi, ydy yn hi, da bach yn di, ar y TV, beth yn y byd. Falle ma'n ni, beth yn y byd, ni ar y mic, nhw'n meddwl ma'n hyd, na dangos I sit, just wydda I pryd. Gweld ni'n y stryd, ni yma o hyd. Sawl tro ma nhw'n dweud ma'n rhy tywyll I Cymro, mae'r lliw yn amrywio. Sawl tro? Y chat ar y ryngrwyd, ond na fydd e'n breuddwyd pan ni'n dod I cheilwyd. Mae hen lad fy'n hadau yn anwyl I ni. Ta ma fuckboy yn trio rhywbeth hiliol da fi. Cwpl coloured people sydd ar eich bywyd allu, efo rhywbeth diddorol I ti a ti. Mae hen lad fy'n hadau yn anwyl I mi. Ta ma fuckboy yn trio rhywbeth hiliol da fi. Cwpl coloured people sydd ar eich bywyd allu, efo rhywbeth diddorol I ti a ti. Hey.